Portland businessman Everton McDonald, who is charged with the murder of his first wife Merlene more than a decade ago, paid a policeman to orchestrate the killing. Mr. McDonald, who is also charged with the killing of his second wife Tanya, appeared in court via video conferencing from the Horizon Adult Remand Center.
When the matter was called up in the Home Circuit Court this morning, the prosecutor disclosed that Mr. McDonald allegedly had Merlene killed because their marriage broke down in 2007, after which she moved out of the matrimonial home. Despite the separation, the couple remained business partners. The court also heard that Mr. McDonald attempted to take his life before and after his first wife was killed. The prosecution told the court that Mr. McDonald's nephew, who is now deceased, informed the police that his uncle went through a bout of depression after Merlene McDonald moved from the matrimonial home. The case against Mr. McDonald will again be heard in the Home Circuit Court on March 22.